This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 4-cylinder engine. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a keyless entry system, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Chuck Fairbanks Chevrolet for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our webpage, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located on Interstate 35 and Pleasant Run Road in DeSoto.